All right, this is 6.2 guided practice 6A. It asks us to find the determinant and the inverse. I'm going to show you how to do this using the calculator. So basically the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to mode and you want to use a matrix, so you'll press number 6. And you can pick any matrix, 1, 2, 3, but let's go ahead and just always use A, number 1. This is a 2 by 2, so I'm going to pick number 5. And I'm just going to put the numbers in the way you see them. So I do -4 and then hit the equal sign, and it basically moves on to the next spot. So 4 equal, 6 equal, then 8 equal, and -12 equal. Okay, so to save that, you can press the AC or the on button. Either way, it'll go sort of to your normal screen. If you want to find the determinant, you're going to do shift, and then if you notice down here, this brown writing says matrix, so shift 4, and that's going to bring you to the matrix menu. So in this case, we're trying to find the determinant, which is number 7. So then press number 7. And you want to find the determinant of matrix A. So to select matrix A, you're going to again do shift number 4 for matrix. And you're going to put number 3, matrix A, because that's where we saved it. I'm going to close my brackets and I'm going to hit equal down here. And it's going to tell me that the determinant is 0. I already knew that. That's the same thing I got before. Now let's pretend that I don't know that that means it's singular, and I want to find the inverse. So if you want to find the inverse, what you're going to do is you're going to again select matrix A. So let me just clear this for a minute. So I'll do shift number 4, select matrix A. And the inverse is noted with the -1. So I'm just going to do x to the -1. And this is saying I want the inverse. And you'll notice it has an error. And the reason it has an error is because it's singular. There is no inverse. Okay? So let's repeat that process quickly with 6B so that we can see one where it does work. So again, if I need to fix my matrix or put in an original matrix, I'm going to do mode number 6, and I'll still use matrix A for this example. So then this one is also a 2 by 2, so I'll select number 5. And then I just put in my numbers. So 2, enter, -3, -2. I'm using the equal button each time to move to the next one. Okay. Once you have the whole thing, you can either press the on button or the AC button. Either way, it gets you back to the regular screen. If you want to do determinant, you're going to do shift 4 to bring up the matrix. Determinant is number 7, and then shift 4 to select matrix A, which is number 3, and hit enter. And notice I got -10, which is the same thing I got when I did it by hand. So let's be honest, it's probably faster to do a 2 by 2 determinant by hand than it is in the calculator, but this is going to save you a lot of time on a 3 by 3. From there, I'm also going to show you how to get the inverse, so I'm going to go ahead and again clear that out, and I'm going to do shift 4. And I want matrix A, so I'll do number 3. And then to do the inverse, you're going to do this button right here, x to the -1. And notice it gives you basically your whole matrix answer. Now it's giving them to you here in decimal form, but you'll notice that down here we have our fractions. So basically the first one, I'm going to show it this way. The first one was 1/5. And then you can just either use your arrow or your equal to move over. So then you have -3/10, and then use your arrow again. This one -1/5, and again -1/5. So basically it can do the entire thing for you.